back to our channel. I'm Sylvia.
I'm Cengiz.
And today we're gonna share with you guys how you can have amazing indoor plants and still travel around the world and have them survive.
Hopefully. Well, we've tried and tested it in LA, so we're now adopting it in London.
Exactly. We chose several plants which are great for the oxygen and the great mood inside the house. So this palm tree, Areca palm tree, then we have tiny baby plants out there. So we're gonna share with you the way we're gonna plant them, care about them, and mainly how can they survive? Why can they survive while we're traveling?
And we're going to keep a diary, and you're going to watch them grow week by week, year by year. Lying.
I like that idea.
Well, maybe they'll feature as we move along. But for now, we're actually going to get them in some pots. So there are a number of self-watering pots that you can find on places like Amazon or in stores. But Lechuza, and I hope I'm saying that right for the company, Lechuza is a pot that we found when we were in LA and for the plants out there, and they work really, really well. And so the system is pretty cool. These are high gloss, so they're really nice white and they look quite shiny. And water can last a couple of weeks, even up to a month, depending on the type of plant. So we'll break it down as we go along. We'll show you how, you know, the kind of the 2 or 3 steps that we use, and then, you know, finish with the finale of a plant sticking out the top of here.
And we used actually them also for outdoors plants, like the one in the window in the front when we were traveling. So that's the same company.
Oh yeah, we've also got window box in London that have our window box flowers, and they're also self-watering. Same company.
Different shape.
Yeah, different shape. They're kind of rectangle, but really, I think they're really good value for money, and they're really lovely. They're just real quality and look lovely. And so far the plants are surviving, so
fingers crossed on these babies.
So before we move on, make sure you like and subscribe and share if you're feeling generous. And also all the information on the pots and the plants that we use today will be in the description below.
So first we'll start by planting this beauty, which is Areca Palm. It can grow very, very tall, and we're gonna put her in our living area. All the plants we're gonna talk about today are good for purifying the air in your home. This one is extremely good because first is just clears the air from different toxins, like from the wood furniture, from paint, things like from bad air from cooking in the kitchen, any things like that. It's really good for small children and for their nervous system. I don't know why, but it's probably because of fresh air. So we're just gonna start with her. But we had a funny moment which Cengiz is gonna tell you about. Okay.
I'm going to tell you about this funny moment. Look at these beautiful plants here. Well, I ordered these blindly, thinking that it would turn up about this size, and these guys arrived. A box arrived, and I thought that it would be one plant, thinking, oh, smaller than I thought, and there should be 2 more. And these three plants rolled out of the box. So this little guy, he's got some growing to do.
Big ambitions.
He's got big ambitions, but you know what? Started from the bottom, now I'm here. Started from the bottom, now I'm here.
Well, this is also the plants that are easy to care for. So this one, you water her maybe once a week. Just make sure the soil is dry, the first inch is dry, and then you don't want to overwater the plants. And because we're traveling, we want low maintenance plants. Let's get to work.
So this is the largest of the pots that we've got, and it's 43 centimeters, quite big. And as you'll see from the picture, it shows you the system here. But basically, there's you plant into this kind of plastic container that sits above the water, and then into that you put in this gravel system that comes with it. That actually feeds the plants as well. And And then on top of that, you plant your compost or your potting soil. So yeah, we'll go to work and then I'll show you the finished product.
First one done.
So it's time to put it in its pot. And then we'll have to transport it into the apartment, but we'll leave it out here for now.
We have wheels for that. It's not too bad. Wow.
Actually great.
Especially when you're doing it.
We need to go like that.
Wow.
And
Look at that.
this is
shiny.
your little gauge goes up and down to show you where the water actually is.
But the secret with the spots is for the first couple of weeks you have to water them normally because the roots have to arrive further down in the pot, and then you water only in these gaps till maximum level, and then you can travel around the world and your plants will survive. Next one. Here we are, our last one. This is a dragon tree. This is probably one of the plants that needs most light from the three we've got. Same benefits: purifying the air, bringing good mood into the family. Make sure you don't overwater any of your plants. They hate having a lot of water. The roots just will start deteriorating and they will die. So make sure they're 1-2 inches dry soil before you water. It's usually once a week, not overflowing water. So take care about that. And yeah,
that would tell you whether it has water or not and whereabouts the water level is.
And this one will go in the living area because he also has big dreams to grow very tall.
Just like me.
Exactly. Job done. High five.
4 self-watering
Pots.
pots for the apartment that hopefully will live a very long time.
Yeah, well, this one can live up to 10 years. You just have to repot it every 2 years and give some vitamins. But we'll keep you posted on that. And if you like this video, please like it, thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you're new to our YouTube family, and we are posting every week. Stay tuned for new, fun, creative videos.
And don't forget to share!